Well, this year UAE has imposed a new minimum top-up tax of 15% on large multinational companies. Let's find out how is it going to affect you if you are planning to move to Dubai or you are already a resident. Whether you own a property in Dubai or you are owner of a free zone or mainland company. UAE and Dubai's tax policy can be divided into four major categories. Number one, we have 0% tax policy in which most of the people fall in. Number two, we have 5% tax policy that we call VAT. Number 3 is 9% corporate tax, which was introduced last year, October 2024. And number 4 is minimum top-up tax of 15% that will be applied to the large multinational companies. Firstly, we will discuss 15% tax policy, and this 15% is applicable from 1st of January 2025, and those companies will fall into this criteria whose annual turnover exceeds by 750 million euros, or you can call it $790 million. And definitely this tax will be onto the profit value, and companies can come up with certain expenses like dividends, office rents or salaries, or even small purchases. And this new tax is called DMTT, which we call it domestic minimum top-up tax. Second one is the corporate tax, which was introduced back in October 2024, which is of 9%. And if we compare this 9% to other developed nations like UK, where we have to pay 25% of corporate tax, and most of the companies fall into this criteria of 9%, including mine, whether you have a mainland company or a free zone, if your profit margin exceeds by $100,000 or 375,000 dirhams, you will fall into this category and you have to pay this 9% of corporate tax. Whatever is the nature of your business, whether it is of general trading, automotive, or you have a restaurant or you have a real estate company, you will fall into this category. And definitely companies can come up with certain expenses like salaries, dividends, office rents, and other expenses as well. And this tax will be applied onto the profit margin excluding your expenses. And next up we have value added tax, which we call it VAT, which is of 5%. And basically this tax is applicable on anything you purchase in Dubai or UAE, whether it is a product or a service, you still have to pay 5%. Like if you just bought a new car of 500,000 dirhams, you still have to pay 5%, 25,000 dirhams in terms of VAT. And if we compare this value with other developed nations like UK or any Asian countries where you have to pay sales tax or GST or road tax and many others, which starts from like 17%. Let's suppose you are a tourist and you have just bought a new wedding ring for your girlfriend. Just in case if you want to propose her with a Burj Khalifa view, still you have to pay this 5% VAT. But the good thing is this 5% value added tax can be redeemed at the airport. In short, tourists are excluded from this VAT category so they could spend more here in UAE. And now let's talk about this 0% tax policy in which most of the people fall in, as most of the people are employed here in Dubai. And this is the tax like that has gained most of the hype, and we always hear Dubai and UAE has 0% tax policy. This is called income tax. If you are an employee in UAE or Dubai, whether your salary is like $1,000, $10,000, $50,000, or even $100,000, you still don't have to pay any type of income tax. Basically, you keep what you earn. Also, there is no tax even on trading. Like if you are a crypto trader or you trade in stock market, you keep all of those profit without sharing a single penny of your business in terms of taxes. And also most of the people talk about real estate, like if you are renting an apartment for 100,000 dirhams, you keep those 100,000 dirhams, you don't have to pay single percent onto these rental taxes. Also, if you have bought a like apartment for 1 million dirhams and you are selling it at 1.5 million dirhams, there will be no capital gain tax. All of this capital gain will be yours. And if we compare these capital gain taxes with other developed nations like UK, where you have to pay more than 20% of capital gain tax. Now let's talk about specifically real estate. If you are buying a property here in Dubai, you just have to pay 4% Dubai Land Department fees, which is a one-time payment. Other than this, you don't have to pay any yearly taxes, you don't have to pay any rental taxes, and definitely there is no capital gain tax. That's it for today. If you have any inquiries, just let me know in the comment box, or you can reach me at WhatsApp. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.